tell us you never know people. Last week, you know, I tell them I forget a liquor thing I want to go on, you know what I mean? Last week, man, an artist I will have reason via Messenger on Facebook. I mean, I talked last week, Wednesday. So we spoke Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, and Thursday. Man link me up and say, DJ, want you give me a bad video for my song, you know? Put a rhythm, yeah. This rhythm is called the Ionie Riddim. All courtesy of Hit Melody Records. So I'm just beating off the instrumental right there. You could hear in the background. Hit Melody Records. And I'm going to play a track. Actually, I play a full juggling pan already, man. Right about now, but me not lie. Me say me and the artist all a reason. 1, 2, 3 days in a row. And on the 4th day, this man was no longer here. And the producer called me and said, DJ, you know you are going. So what happened? People, me not lie. Pardon my language. When the lady break the news to me, stuff all right. My belly gone so. My eyes gone over this so. Me want piss. Me want do everything. Me can't sit down. Me want sit down. Me want turn up. Me can't turn up. I can't even tell you people because me and the man just. So me I tell you them say, live clean, live right. As the man said when him close the mic, him said, Jamie give you thanks, Jamie give you praise. Once I big up all the people in the check it, I say, clean up on the heart, Rasta. Some people now give ratings until you put in your own ratings and bust yourself. Yo, Pinky Stinky, 1, 2, 4. Big up yourself. Over this up on Twitch. Krus Rock Radio, Telstream Radio. Big John, General, big up yourself, sir. Anyway, you're there. Remember me tell you, me say, yo. How we say loyalty over royalty. How we say honesty. How we say keep it real, Selassie. There are some people that run down money. Pretty this and pretty that. While upon my tummy, man. Me just lose the weight when they but boy. Reaching out again. John Star, me I tell you.
Grieving. You see my brother, my sister keep on dying. Boy.
Ras, I will write you, remember me tell you.
Yes,
life is a journey. More time your heart just get empty.
Grieving. You see my brother, my sister keep on dying, bleeding. My heart is bleeding. You see my brother, my sister keep on dying, grieving. We got to get yourself in a hand. It seems like no love there anymore.
You better believe all courtesy Hit Melody Records right here. This is Miss Ella Virgo. Big up yourself, you know. Yo!
People life are so insecure. Parents losing children. Children losing parents. My heart is grieving. You see my brother, my sister.
Remember me tell you, me say.
Bleeding.
He see my brother John Carr. Big up yourself, you know. Anytime the promoter ready, me ready. Yo!
You see my brother,
I heard the cracking of the whips. Life is hard when you're living in this is Shalom.
Remember the artist named Shalom. Yeah, tell him say ready up again. Inside the vibes, inside the juggling as we take this one to you.
The cracking of the whips. Life is hard when you're living in bondage. Using straws to make bricks. That's the way back from us. That is like
got me, sir.
Working hard day and night. If you know work and you still it, I go feel it.
As we drop this rhythm right here, clean call it Ionie Riddim. All courtesy Hit Melody Records. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let my people go.
moving to might be rocky, but I just can't stop. No, not at all. I'm moving to Mosiah and I'm hallelujah.
The song you bad.
It might be rocky, but I just can't stop. No way.
Touch eye and let me know my fault. I know I'm not perfect. Touch eye so the wicked won't take song. Deep melody records come for tell them say. Wise up, no, because of the deepest sorrow try to intervene.
Now as we take the juggling right there, so juggling on top of juggling, vibes on top of vibes. Yo, hey, John Carr, remember me tell us a big up all of St. James, you know. A lot of people out there do not know that St. James itself creates a lot of artists. Remember me tell me play a movie artist after the one, yeah.
Patch eyes so the wicked won't take songs. Cause you are the only. You are the only one, from you true blessings flow. And I know you plant my seeds so they will.
Remember me tell you, you know.
People, that's what the system want. For them dictate your mind and your thoughts. Control of the people, that's what the system seek. So them target the youth, them in the streets. Control of the, we are go on them all because the system need to.
His name is Laser Matrix.
We not go give no sleep.
He's a product of St. James.
No.
Now let me tell you, hit melody say, yo,
Control of
some people, you know,
that's what the
system do control them. So me just can make you know say, yo.
control of the people, that's what the system seek. So them target the youth, them in the streets. Control of the people, there's the ultimate goal. Them have a price if you want sell your soul. Control of the, we are go on them all because the system need to change. Black people, we not go give no slaves.
As we drop this one more time, we'll kind of say,
Oh no, let me hear the drum roll. And
Laser Matrix, what me say?
that's what the system want.
Got me say,
Dictate your mind and your thoughts.
got me say, of the people, they wear the system.
See, so them target the youth, them in the streets.
You think a joke a real thing, you know? You ever kick back and wonder why anytime a policeman stop you is always, oh, give me your ID because I want to know you. And you yourself not even sure if him or she or whoever might identify himself as is really a police.
So me have it on the fight.
Me not know.
Politically,
Me say what you say.
my voice, police.
Laser what you say.
And no alcohol and cigarette alone a kill you.
Remember me tell you,
Put your name is like a grave a dig you. Melanated people know what is fear.
Before it's too late to say a prayer for the love of the Father. Blessings from the Most High, my life getting better.
yo, John Carr, my brother, big up yourself, you know.
On your dada,
Straight, you know.
together.
How you mean?
Shirasu dada. Better days on the way, I can see from far away. Moon star show me the way, the sun shining my way. Mariama so far away. We need to have fun today. The power of the key that I'm sending to you. Mariama, today is a happy day. The power of the love that I'm sending.
King Major, are you on the records right here?
Although you
Are you on the rhythm?
yeah.
Hey!
The power of the key that I'm sending to you. Mariama, today is a happy day.
Yeah, I tell you.
Power of the love that I'm sending.
Product of Hit Melody Records. Easy ever, big up yourself, you know. Maximum love and respect.
What a lucky day.
DJ Krus, I say share the link.
Tab along when you pray. Let's find a quiet place so we can share the grace. We can be together, spend the time in Paris, babe. You are my lover. You are my.
You gotta take control. So much trouble. Where are our leaders? Take control.
The song you
Not tell you
bad.
who shall lead yourself now. We gotta take control. We live so terrible, natural disasters. Take control.
People, me tell us, yo.
Right, shall lead yourself, yeah.
Earlier, I tell you a little history about the artist. Remember my whole reason last week. So technically, 7 days ago, me and this gentleman have a conversation. You know what I'm saying? The man said, DJ, that tune you it. Reaching out to all the beautiful ladies them. Me say your artist how me above we play right now. He's no longer with us, but we are sending all the respect to him. Because as I said last week, 1 week ago, me and him talk about that tune ya.
Take
Love you tender, love you true. Ooh, baby.
Krus a DJ, send I wanna go a road for ladies them.
Love you tender. Love you true.
Yeah, say rest in power, Silky Day. King Selassie. Joe. Yes, a monster and you're gone.
Love you tender. Love you true. Ooh, baby. I love you.
Yeah, sir.
Love you tender.
Riddim band spanking you. Are you on the Riddim? All courtesy hit Melody Records. I gotta drop this one more time. All courtesy Silky Day. Why imagine me talk to your man? Wow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I mean, not like the man left with Friday. The man took the higher road. So Silky Day. Until next time, you know, my brother. Cause no man know nothing around here, so. Reaching out to me ladies, them.
Love you true.
Yeah!
Baby, I love.
Easy Lisa, big up yourself.
8 minute record.
Easy Antoinette, I want to say happy birthday reaching out to you. Yeah, tell everybody upon the check it. Remember, share the link, please. I'm asking you. Easy Lotion, I big up yourself, you know. Remember, share the link in the paper.
Love you tender. Love you true. Ooh, baby, I love you. Love you tender. Love you true. Ooh, baby, I adore you. Could be summertime, autumn, winter, or spring. You're my queen, girl, and I'm your king. I wanna hear church bells. I'll place this ring on your finger. I'm loving you forever. Love you tender.
Got me say.
Love you.
Remember down there in August, you know, New Jersey.
Ooh,
Yeah, I tell you, yo, Mr. Big Up Jack Teff here, baby.
love you.
Macadam and the whole crew.
Love you.
Complex this coming Sunday.
Love you.
Detroit.
Ooh, baby.
Make sure you know that reaching out to all the ladies, them all courtesy Hit Melody Records right here.
Right.
His name is Silky Day.
The first time I laid eyes on you, something tells me you're extra special. If heaven is paradise, then leave it right.
His name is Mr. Steve Tullock. Big up yourself, sir, Maximum. Hey, ready me a bud. Are you on the Riddim all courtesy Hit Melody Records right here? Remember, I'm tell you, world premiere.
I laid eyes on you, something tells me you're extra special.
Trust me, no man.
If heaven is paradise.
If you don't feel full juggling of this rhythm right here, I see a couple DJs have this rhythm out there. You see me, I say, them juggle it, mix it, and put it on YouTube. So go and check out the YouTube. You see me, I say, Ionie. I-O-N-I-E Riddim.
The first time I laid
Here's the Juba, big up yourself, big up all of Philly.
you're extra special.
Yo, Woody. Here's the Vance, and when I say big up yourself.
Paradise, then make
Yes, sir, you're right about now. Hey.
The first time I laid eyes on you, something tells me you're extra special. If heaven is paradise, then baby, it's twice as nice. You're like an icing on the cake, I'm yours for you to take. Good thing comes in small vessels. Take time out, visit my castle. Let's share in this moment of love. Love, love, love. True, true, true. I'm addicted to you. I swear I'll never put you down. You're my queen, you wear my crown. Woman of class, you are. I gaze a shining star. Life of a vanity. Yes, I want the people them be free. Life of a vanity for you and for me. Life of a vanity. Yes, I want the people them be free. Yeah.
You bet you know that, you know.
Of a vanity for you and for me. Yeah. Better them and I search for. Got to be firm from you a soldier. When we are children around, you have to still feel no get turned over. Some people don't want you to rise in life. Let us unite, no more divide. So my burn a lot of ganja. So my drink a lot of liquor. So my hide behind gun, hoping for the freedom to come. But I sure as the sun is shining and the rain fall from the sky, we all have to give account for all the works we have done. Tell me where you're running to. I really wanna where you're running to, yeah. You cannot hide from yourself and the deeds you have done.
Tell you that I love you, girl, it's true. My heart desires you.
The song of bad.
And if I dream tonight, I pray it's about you. You always on my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm just looking for love, not to be judged by anyone. The way that I feel, I know it's real, it's all in my heart. I wanna tell you that I love you, girl, you make me feel brand new. Embrace, tell you that I'm giving, girl, I'll do the same for you. So when I tell you that I love you, girl, it's true. My heart desires you.
The song of bad.
Yes,
I don't care what they want to say. I'm the one who feels it at the end of the day. They don't ever want to see it change negatively. They want your life rearranged. But I know that I'll make it in life. And me I work and me I forget my life. Please just take my advice and keep your eyes on the prize. Yes, me have to make it like a foundation. Every straight and sucker set it. Yes, me